Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 100, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 100, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 100 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 100 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 100 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 100? Angel number 100 is a powerful message from the divine realm, symbolizing new beginnings, spiritual growth, and the manifestation of your desires. It combines the energies of number 1, representing leadership and initiative, with the amplified influence of double zeros, signifying potential and spiritual development. This number encourages you to trust your intuition and embrace the spiritual journey ahead, knowing that your guardian angels are supporting you every step of the way. It's a reminder to maintain a positive mindset, focus on your goals, and align your actions with your higher purpose. By doing so, you open yourself up to the abundance and success that the universe has in store for you. What's the symbolism of angel number 100? The symbolism of angel number 100 lies in its components. Number 1 signifies new beginnings, ambition, and self-reliance, while number 0 represents potential, choice, and spiritual growth. The double occurrence of 0 amplifies its influence, emphasizing the importance of spiritual development and connection with the divine. Together, these numbers suggest that you're being guided to trust in your abilities and the universe's plan for you. It's a call to embrace your individuality, take initiative, and remain open to spiritual insights that can lead you toward fulfilling your life's purpose. What is the angel number 100 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 100 signifies alignment with your higher self and the divine realm. It encourages you to deepen your spiritual practices, trust your inner guidance, and remain open to the messages from your guardian angels. This number is a reminder that you're on the right path and that your spiritual growth is essential for achieving your soul's mission. By maintaining a positive mindset and focusing on your spiritual development, you can overcome challenges and manifest the life you desire. What does the angel number 100 mean for love? In love, angel number 100 signifies new beginnings and the importance of open communication. For those in relationships, it encourages you to express your feelings honestly and work together to strengthen your bond. If you're single, this number suggests that love may be on the horizon, and it's essential to remain open and receptive to new connections. Overall, angel number 100 reminds you to trust in the universe's plan for your love life and to maintain a positive outlook as you navigate your romantic journey. What does angel number 100 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 100 indicates a phase of spiritual growth and alignment. It suggests that both you and your twin flame are being guided to focus on personal development and to trust in the divine timing of your reunion. This number encourages you to remain positive, embrace your spiritual journey, and have faith that the universe is working to bring you and your twin flame together when the time is right. What does angel number 100 mean for manifestation? Angel number 100 is a powerful sign for manifestation, indicating that your thoughts and intentions are aligning with the universe's energies. It encourages you to maintain a positive mindset, focus on your goals, and trust that your desires are within reach. By staying aligned with your higher purpose and taking inspired action, you can manifest abundance, success, and fulfillment in your life. How does angel number 100 affect finances? In terms of finances, angel number 100 suggests that positive changes and opportunities for growth are on the horizon. It encourages you to trust in your abilities to manage your resources wisely. By maintaining a positive attitude and aligning your financial goals with your spiritual values, you can attract prosperity and achieve financial stability. What does angel number 100 mean for former relationships? Regarding former relationships, angel number 100 signifies closure and the importance of moving forward. It encourages you to release any lingering negativity or attachments to the past and to focus on personal growth and healing. By letting go of old patterns and embracing new beginnings, you create space for healthier and more fulfilling relationships in the future. How does angel number 100 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 100 serves as a reminder to stay focused on your goals and to trust in your abilities. It encourages you to take initiative, embrace new opportunities, and align your work with your higher purpose. By maintaining a positive mindset and remaining open to growth, you can achieve success and fulfillment in your career. What are the strengths of angel number 100? The strengths associated with angel number 100 include self-reliance, intuition, and a strong connection to the divine. Individuals influenced by this number are often confident, motivated, and spiritually aware, allowing them to navigate life's challenges with grace and determination. Their ability to trust in their inner guidance and maintain a positive outlook enables them to achieve their goals and inspire others. What are the weaknesses of angel number 100? Potential weaknesses linked to angel number 100 include a tendency towards self-doubt, resistance to change, and difficulty in letting go of the past. Individuals may struggle with maintaining balance between their spiritual and material pursuits, leading to feelings of uncertainty or stagnation. By recognizing these challenges and focusing on personal growth, they can overcome obstacles and align more closely with their higher purpose. Angel number 100 is a deeply spiritual and empowering message from the universe, signifying fresh starts, divine support, and the alignment of your actions with a higher purpose. It combines the vibrations of the number 1, symbolizing new beginnings, leadership, and assertiveness, with the amplified spiritual energy of the number 0, which appears twice. Number 0 represents the infinite potential and spiritual journey. When doubled, it intensifies the spiritual nature of the message and highlights a strong connection with divine forces. The presence of angel number 100 encourages you to trust your inner wisdom and follow the path your soul is being called to walk. This angel number serves as a reminder to focus your thoughts and intentions on your spiritual development and your goals. The angels are urging you to embrace positivity, take initiative, and remain committed to your personal truth. In areas such as love, work, finances, and relationships, angel number 100 often signals transformation and the need for clarity and purpose. It suggests releasing the past and moving forward with confidence, supported by divine guidance. Spiritually, 100 is a sign that you are being watched over and guided. It calls for increased awareness of your inner voice and the signs the universe sends. It's also a number of manifestation, showing that your thoughts are powerful tools for creating your reality. In essence, angel number 100 is a sign of spiritual awakening, new opportunities, and divine alignment. It encourages you to embrace your unique purpose, remain optimistic, and trust in the journey ahead. The universe is working in your favor. Stay present, focused, and faithful,